Okay, Titi Magna Coso. I know for Tao Titi Wana. I say for over. Oh, publishing, we did you? It must be a roughly. Now, isn't Dr. You and Timmy now?
And we are saying, if you try to please human being, you never go on in life. And to what Sarkodie is doing is the rightful thing. People don't understand. Hello, baby. I'll be in check a cinema high Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. But also subscribe to Tumpa now. I can be one of Ghana's biggest musical experts, Sarkodie, also a very controversial figure. People don't understand him. And then me be in Semu from a musical point of view, purely entertainment point of view. Now, why he does what he does. Now, say I'm interviewing and say be okay, you know. People are arguing, a bimocrass friend on fat and all that. But today I have a very simple question. Is it even right to call him personally when you want him for a feature? Let's go and listen.
Now, highest and honest ones out, that highest nana.
Davi. Highest young coffee. Say few people almost all whom you refer to me as highest.
Okay,
that also inspired the album, and at that point I felt not Titi about fresh until I felt at the highest point of my life. At that point, still feel like that because kids are amazing. I would be that extra. Yeah. And that's what inspired the title.
Okay, Titi Magna Coso. I know for Tao Titi Wana. I say for over.
on no pressure, well, the intro.
Okay.
I spoke about why I don't pay calls.
I know Titiwana.
Davi.
I know Tracy.
Davi.
Angel.
I don't have notification. That's one thing.
Okay.
Until me I did bet notify me so be afraid and I said me text. Until say me so send me crash here. I bet didn't say me.
I'm saying Lumba no routine in some be brave. Because Lumba so full, you are not doing no.
Obenyane this week, next week on Saturday.
Yeah. Oh no, for no do no for.
The case me na ye nyumba ko be release here.
Oh okay.
Me catch and said that about me book studio no so meba I don't say we dey me nyaka me be dey meba. I still doubted. I mean, timid in somewhere.
Okay.
My pair a 77 once since I prepared everything. I had to video the whole session.
Okay.
Get pictures. So I released some of the pictures, but I could be in the studio.
Yeah.
That was the day.
Okay.
So boys in here train. Kakar my friend, daddy bacho obana. It will be who's an Ankanubu you for Anakwe. Listen me back. Mishaza on Kwanam, Upulia.
Okay.
Bastro studio started recording here in Nikiwa so yeah he's kind of that I understand precious be every time a man make pay phone paying attention to it, especially what's happening inside the year every time there's always bad news coming from somebody they be what yes say into honor person matters and man say me person before be my friend somebody between 2 weeks by the time I get it to me not as I'm not exactly yeah.
Papa was so another Pat Thomas. What initiatives are there? What Pat Thomas?
How did I link up with Pat Thomas?
Because some another can hardly get him.
Yes.
I don't
remember, but I know said daddy there.
Pat Thomas, when there's our connection.
Who?
You're live on Pure 95.7. Have a time.
I say me kai potting how I'm home, but I'm saying me I don't know how I went through, who I went through to get him. Either KOD or Mark and ask KOD Mark or the above bit no.
Kwame.
Yes.
It could be. How was it feeling like recording part?
That's when last my catch me team they said that's when I saw the difference between I'm not no disrespect to like young ones out, but when these old people are singing like what studio no autonomy and his vocals has no effect into like raw sound or autonomy inside call him the show and it's not holding the breath and yet autonomy
okay
or being an auto You know, that's when I saw the difference. Penny exactly, penny the penny, and I sent him the melody, you know, the creative chorus. You know.
Wow, I saw him say, "Hey, Uncle Pat, how do you prepare for your studio sessions? At what time do you write your songs?"
I have the best sessions late night. I have the best writing experience and recording experience. And it depended. Okay. Productions. Sometimes I'm a packet and as I said, traffic and so on. I just continue to drive it. I like to write in a car because I'm surrounded by the sound.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you call it? This particular song, Lucky.
Yes.
That's my favorite.
Same with me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Lucky.
Yes, Lucky. Me pop. Yes. Actually, that's one of the songs that my personal songs are. I still go back to listen.
Wow.
Each and every time. I still go on YouTube and watch it just like a fan. Also, the production from MOG to me, I think at this point is the best producer you could come across. Gave me that production. I did the first verse. I knew that me and Rude Boy had to do something. But I mean, who and you crab fata. And to me, and I'm saying, nah, I'm saying away. And I'm sending man. That day, I think the same day or the next day, sent the hook, the boy yard, and I created the next verse. And the rest was me man by.
I play it back to back.
Yes.
I love the song.
Same.
Wow. My judgment in your bag.
A very good song.
What do you know what I got, guy?
Why, Rude Boy?
I
got guy on.
No. Okay, what do you know what I say?
I said, I just saying. Okay, what
do you know what I fan of? Because we are fan also. And I guess we're Jerry. With the baby, they're okay. With Jerry Pan. It's all Papa. Oh, publishing, we did you? It must be another roughly. Oh, come here, idea.
David.
I'm someone for Tata.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now, isn't a doctor you to me now?
Oh, so you're going to be popular because me count.
That's yes,
I think so. These things can happen sometimes. We got the mail. Angelo did they also so born than so. Angelo catch me say you call babies. I know so and you're bad. Tell no or can't or two or cast me movie there. I'm to move. Then I went there. Then I'm drawn. I saw. Never be off kakra, but I said, "Ocean confused to our name, one and Yansa." Also, to movie, you call now, confused could be able to my red flag new movie, but squad now. Obisa, Papa. What I say, squad no one, I know she's who Sarkodie and Yansa Ben Kwana Nima's Unimuseum. Dipana, Dr. You and Ankasana, who's on a mature. John Okama catch a black say, a queen suity. But I mean, or Yardian. So, Minims on or Yardian. And it's an who's on no subject drama award, maybe I'm maybe I have friends on Faber. Mam who's or Cassana said that we on one a what I say on 1 a award. I think it can happen to anyone. The way it was presented, you take it for what it is and see.
But
honestly, no. Later, I when I make I say, okay, so what? Probably we were thinking, directly from UN, and UN wants to honor you. But if it's his own awards, I don't think it's still wrong. I think I still have to hold the award.
But you're the fire.
Exactly.
Standard, no.
Exactly. Or not personally, the awards. Make sure back, it's still worth it because on who say episode or non for.
But the didn't be team.
Exactly.
Also tough.
Sarkodie is a major brand or a global brand, global icon. Ghana Penna Sabe, we don't follow protocol. Yes. Sarkodie or management. The manager, I don't know, Angelo, why. So when you want to get to Sarkodie, you go through him. Unless it's a personal issue. Intimating most of our artists, especially People that should know better. Saying, say, your friends are called on fire, but we wanted a feature with him. And I said, what the hell? Kwame said, if you want to feature a big star, do you just go through him and say, so Charlie said, we need to do things right. Sarkodie party said, a lot of things on his mind, especially the social media, no? Mamika Bibintro, and we are saying, if you try to please human being, you never go on in life. And to what Sarkodie is doing is the rightful thing. People don't understand. So, per feature of Sarkodie, go through his management. Tell them we want to feature Sarkodie. What are the terms? Don't say because I know Sarkodie, I'll just pick a call and call him and the man say he answers my call. As most of the phone is not even with him. Sometimes it's even on a flight mode. To send me phone, say it doesn't ring. It's sometimes when you call me, you get me. It does not mean say I don't want to pick your call. But at that time now, we'll call him. Isn't even convenient for me? We should respect people's privacy, kakra. Because I call you when I want to call, but you also receive the call when you want to receive. We should bear that in mind. And your friend says straight said because I call you have to pick the phone wherever you are. It is time for phone that move around. He's not a charitable organization. If you want a feature with Sarkodie, go through his management and do the right thing. It is high time we stop, sir. Oh, minimum, he's my friend. Oh, where can in the school? It does not matter. Say positions have changed, things have changed. Proper things need to be done. Sarkodie does not talk business with himself. You talk business with him with the management. That is why he has a manager. We don't use managers. Oh, my friend, my friend, that's bullshit. We need to get to the point. I said we follow the laid down protocols to make sure what we are doing is right. So the people who don't understand Sarkodie, I'm explaining to you, and the entertainment protocol that you have to go through. If you want him for a major shower, you go through his road manager. If you want him to feature on the song for you, you go to his manager, find his manager's name and call him. Don't call Sarkodie straight. They follow the protocol. Unless you think you are a big star, so when you call him, he should answer. It is not his prerogative to answer. He can choose not to answer, and that does not make him a bad person. He's just trying to protect himself. Because Ghana, it's a call beyond a Sarkodie Baba Pekia. Imagine the number of people who call him a day, and they are going to even run him. Nietia, your people, management team, is for the artists to focus on the writing, the creative aspect of the entertainment. Now, that creative aspect, it needs what? Deep concentration to be able to even say all the words, to make the short say you have the right way, and he's booked for the whole year. So when you call him and he doesn't pick, don't be worried. It's part of life. Another person, Kumawood actor, somebody say I had the entertainment section, I'm Kumawood actor, George. Me who the interview with Kumanu, me Kuma, a botoy, and Kutibra.
Because my men papa nina no my men free muntam and an minim papanso baby am papanso the minimum one is in the din adamso
o papa tiasi that time I walking
oh not yes
not tiasi
so now me no kasa you
or that's what tiasi
or that's what tiasi I just say me could do a broach me me hon kana me minida
o papa wa kontum mama maka kontum samo ko okromo na wo bekum fon bia
say o go say ho na me kokko ni free ho na me kokko ni free because we broni
okay.
No, according to the meme said the meme better no if free abusuan ho na de na che say so ne me ma me nya fa furu wie no na eja otu ne bata was a call back or call back na no an ya nte nka bi
wow
no me ma me no mom de din no mom de din ne to me say yemfa ne din complete no emfa nto me say me hwehwe no ne din na da me so no
okay
na oba okura ofiri so which is friends mem
wow
and ofiri so na ne din na da me so ifiri ono me no me nyini nyina no me hu me papa da me nim na da me nte ne nka da na me ma me ankasa nso a wo me no me hu ne da
wo ma me
ono ankasa kwa no
o ma me na wo no wudi ne yembo so me kro so wan se hu ono so da
say menya be anya ya me say menya 5 years ena amakum ya Bijan house nya 5 years ni frame me so aketekete frame ya me ba na de kire me se wo maame ni na je se kwagu me maame foforo
na wonimu
na me ne na tena me nim ne se me maame a ye frame ne se ye cha nti no omba ya mo se wo maame ni na me se da bi nya maame
5 years
omba ya mo se George wo maame ni na se omo kasa wo maame ni no na maame no mokura ya obi a se bi won it biam say nipa te biam a ma menyu so ne saa kwan no so san say no yare pa
wow
no wo yare pa che say ye ka say menkɔ ne nkyɛn no kura no kwaku na misro omo kai na mpese meko until say de menim ne say me maame ankasa ne beka kyerem say George kɔ wo maame wow na me kɔ me duru ho no an say kwaku say menua wo so me nsɛ wo so me nsa no say George eno an na akonya so not if akonya ketewa ne bi na ofiri akonya no so efom tim
wawu
wa na ye befa na ko eno mo befa me nso me ye den
afiri nchen
efiri ho ti no eno ne se me madan kasa wo onyemme ewo me de eno ne me first day am de hu no
cash
and then the first time on the last time on so the year
efiri wiase
nti no maami be di ye chan no ensem no en adam for pa
wow
ono so no Côte d'Ivoire kwan so nti no me makwan bia wo school mu wa hade ya na chese me Côte d'Ivoire ono so minya 8 years fofi antoata en ono so yare en wo free
sese
nti no ono so free mo nti no ebeka me ne sa me maame ye chan no me ne nikunu en neti ewo amekoma Bijan house na nyame anim ne bra ne modern cause na papa na adwuma sem ne ade nyina anye
okay
nti no na fie ho nso no chese light bill water bill nti no me ti fie ho no kura ne yatwa before say me maame ne be film kura ne yatwa ye light mbe 2 years mbo ye na kan ye mu fie ho ye nko ye light no yatwa
ti mo hwe nkofo light wo company mo na de wradem
de wradem
hwe bia ha wani ha na de
wradem wo de sumo
cash
so kendo na eja wotim nti no papa no woni bi na ne mu odene science an nso nti no won tante na fie because what na fie bia ye beda ne ka
wow
dan ka suo ka ne adon ko no benti no I lived with the man ahomachefo no ko
nothing
anadwotu no aba ti ebu ametimi ne tena dem ho 2 weeks na me hu no 2 weeks na me hu no akwala afila me ko school ne ade 8 years no mo ne ade
tsan uye de ne didi
ne so sori ya na anem mo kwan ya befa so abedidi de nya pie ba fie nanim ho no mo a wo mo nim from amakom na Bijan house anim ho no ne de ache se enua ne tonfo nko na wo ho
okay
ti ne ase kwadwa ato no makosere kakra wi ato makosere kakra na me nem me sori ya makotena school dem ene school mo ho no ni wa amakom ho no na ne kwadufuo ni nyina ya me namfofo
cash
omo mo tonko wo tonko du nko ade aye madamfo de wo se bi na kwadu no betim bidi no but it was tough until some say 8-9 years 9 honomo aircon and one evening when say na jobe se tu asasen na me father ni nyaneme onyaneme no asema o ka kire me say George menim say uswa but me gya wo hono makọ na me kọ oboase ye wa ukrum se me kọ oboase na oboase no me kọ me ma me fie ho
okay
na makọtena ho enti ne sa wo hwehwe me ya wonim ba bia be home
okay
na emom no ne mpesa me ka kire wo ne se kwan bia be fa so abeko school na abewie no fa so kọ
satam na what 12 years
12 there be na me ndroi se na me obe na na 10 na bi bisa
ani ye kasa asem ya kire
anadwotu mada na onyaneme no se kwan bia obe fa so akwago
apetimodin o se wona because na dey obetima da biem that time I kasa asem ya kire
akwago tena ena unim se nsem o kan ye no man hye dante ase bebre because na misua but along the line no ya ade guide me ya ade bia na like always in hu because wagusa na yakasa se me di agro me bobo me yeden wagusa me te hasesie me tifiu me nko ba bia me tifie me nya hwe ebi kura ma fabuka me sua papa bia beto se ne be sua de ya na ni beji me te ho hwe bukum se ne yakasa George papa babra sɛ Messi afiri akonya no so ate ahwe no. He's the only man na me suro no. I was afraid of him. Just one ma unsi kwan bɔne so.
Okay.
O ene anka mekom ho no mo de ne anka me edipa.
Fa ho pipa.
Because nipa ye ne wo nyini ne ade nyina no na kyerɛ sɛ wotim sɛ de odi nkwa asɛ mudi.
Yes.
Nka sɛ na menye but papa no nti no na me ye kura ne
kokura na ne wachi usuru
kokura mechi na me so.
Yes.
Until say papa ne ka sa asɛm ne ye den e kyerɛ me sɛ George me kɔ nti sɛ uhia me a bra oboase eye oboase secondary school gausu.
Okay.
E kyerɛ hɔ me wo me maame hɔ na emom me bɔ wa no fie hafo maame fo wa ha hwan obi a bebusa wo sɛ papa wo hia ka kyerɛ ne sɛ wonim ba bia me wɔ.
Okay.
Na wonhu me da na wo ya abofra ne nko ade omukọ soro ba fom edan we omuntimi ntu na ntu china because papa mai yentimi mpia akola 10 years say ana 9 years say da bonte omuntimi ntumi mfirim na dan ne ka no ye twam da 3 years a papa ntimi ntua to oja hwa ama me because o say okunye easy
o say dey
oja hwa ama me because wo de me kọ boase a
hokra so den sabe west
ontimi fa me nko school ontimi fa me nko admission fee ontimi kutua nti no de wo gya me ho saa ya den no wakọ na school na say de me dem ne de kwan ya me fa so a me course me wie se me ya den no should be my own portion okay me hwe na ne mudin na so okay da mate ene wo saa de source bi se hwe yie no wan kyere ba obi se ha na me wo kyere ba bia me wo pesa da no betu afirifi wow ha na me so yo mate papa ne fa na bag ne puha okay ti from that age no till now no gwagu anye busunya eno na ya na ya
wow
anye busunya ni bia ntumi anka se ma me mfa ne se me ba na me hwe no ma me mfa ne mo
na ewiase me wasem bia meka me say never give excuse for your failure tie ni never give excuse for your failure obia ode problem e show bi no onye ye da o hwe George baby ofi buy na esan ko faili but today he's a celebrity. It takes will, self-will, strength, and what? Prayer and guidance from God to guide you to what? Celebrity status. Eti obi say, ya wo me wa krenti na me yo hia obuwa ye wo bi ofanchire ko eno minister. Man constru papenti na se obi ko sabrugu de and oil minister. So your circumstances today is not as a result of your past situation. Sometimes nyame do to me ko share baby so that people will know say this is the doing of the Lord. Now, story say it inspires me and I want it to also inspire you so that it doesn't matter where you are. Me, one of my greatest inspiration in life, anytime I see that man, I say glory be to God because someone he inspires me. On my who said, Sabe, on recording my own inside, so I think me and the one I want something because I should be able to do 10 times what he's doing. So if you have not been able to make it in life, don't blame anybody. Don't blame your mother, your father, your husband, your wife. It is your own doing. Because somebody was in worse situation today, the person is on. I am urging you, whoever who are hear me, don't let your situation define who you are. You can make it if you want to. If you tune your mind and tell yourself that I can make it, you can make it. Everything starts with the mind. The mind is the most powerful tool. Ultimately, what dream is why you can make it. I Xposed GHFM, subscribe, share. Many two man now will sack a